So hello everyone, welcome back to the Salesforce series of day 6. In today's class we are going to learn the three important topics in Salesforce. Okay, so first one is validation rules, and second one is matching rules, and third one is duplicate rules. Okay, sorry, yeah. Okay, so these are mainly used to improve the data quality and avoid the wrong or duplicate records in the Salesforce. Okay, so first let us understand validation rules. Okay, first validation rule is nothing but okay. So validation rule is, so if the any data is entered by the user, if that meets the certain criteria, then only the Salesforce will accept the data, otherwise it will throw an error message. Okay, so in definition we can say validation rules is used to stop the users from entering wrong data, or it should be meet specific criteria. Okay, so whenever if the condition becomes true, then if any for example, if the condition becomes true, then Salesforce shows an error message and it does not allow the record to be saved. Okay, so for example, in our hospital management app, we have the patient object. So inside the patient must have age, right? So if suppose sometimes the users will enter the wrong age. For example, they enter like minus values and above the 100 values, like that. But the patient age only minimum should be in greater than 0 and above and below the 100, right? So then only the patient record. Then only if the age between the 0 and less than the 100 only, then the Salesforce will accept that record. Otherwise, it should throw an error message. Okay. So for this, let's do practically. Okay, yeah, so go to the patient object. So not only for age, for everyone, like billing amounts, like non-negative values, everything we can create. Okay, go to setup. We are creating the validation rule on patient object only. Okay, so go to the patient object, patient details, and okay, so here you can see validation rules, right? Okay, validation rules. So yeah, here I'm creating one new validation rule. So yeah, here rule. Okay, patient age should be between should be greater than 0 and less than 100. Okay, so should be okay. Since it is not taking long text, what we can put, patient age should be valid. Okay, description. Okay, so here I am creating the formula. So since we are creating, right, okay, or formula we need to use here. Okay, or we need to insert the values, fields dynamically. Okay, age is greater than 0, comma age is less than 100. Okay, so let's check syntax is correct or not. Yeah, errors is not found. So since we want to throw an error message, right, so we can set here patient age should be in between. So this is the error message. We need to set whatever we want. Okay, patient age should be in between 0 and 100. Okay, so we can also mention the location this error message need to come. Okay, so on the top of page or top on the field also we can set. Okay, since I want it only in the field, then I'm selecting the field. Okay, on the age field. Okay, save. Let's check it once. Okay, refresh it. Sorry, here we can refresh it. Go to patient object and create one new. Okay, yeah, Rohit, we can take patient ID 8, blood group A positive. Here I am selecting the age as 104. Okay, let's check it. Patient problem fever. So you can see the message here, right? Okay, the patient age should be in between 0 and 100. Let's enter as -8, then do it. Yeah, since it does not accept until you meet the specific criteria. Okay, so yeah, if you enter any 25, then it will say. Sorry, let's see. Okay, 25. Why? Patient age should be in between 0 and 100, right? Why? Let's check. But is correct, right? What happened? Okay. So let's refresh here. Yes, but let's open ChatGPT, then let's check our form is correct or not. I think is this correct? Okay, let's go Copilot use. Okay, let's try this. Let's check syntax. Okay, save it. On field only we can create it. Okay, so here they have used run condition. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, actually the formula is mistake. Okay, so if we enter any age between 140, then name as Ashwin. Okay, patient, yeah, the formula is wrong. Okay, so this is how we can create the validation rule on the objects, right? Okay, next is what? Next is okay, now let us move to matching rules. Okay, matching rules. Okay, so what about matching rules? So matching rules and duplicate rules will work combined together. Okay, so coming to matching rules, matching rule is generally we can use it to identify any similar or duplicate records. Okay, so actually it will check any selected fields and it will compare them with the existing records. Okay, for example, we have the patient object. So in the patient object, if any patient phone number is same, then Salesforce should identify it as duplicate. For example, if the patient name is Ravi and he enters some number, and another patient name is anyone else, Rajesh, so he also entered the same number. Here the Salesforce will get confusion to which is the correct number for the these patients. So since we have to break that all the duplicate records, so that we can create the matching rules, and after creating the matching rules we can go for the duplicate rules. Okay, and remember one thing, matching rules does not work on their own. Matching rules will work only with the duplicate rules. Okay, so yes, for example, if another okay, let's create first matching rules. Okay, we will get identified. Go to matching rules. Here only we are creating on the matching rules. okay, creating one new matching rule. Okay, so here we are creating for the patient phone number should not be same. Okay, on creating patient object only. Yeah, click on next. Rule name what we can put. Okay. Okay, sorry, patient phone number matching. Okay, here patient phone number. Okay, exact match blank fields also. Okay, so I'm creating yes save. Okay, now we can create duplicate rules. So what is duplicate rule? So duplicate is used to decide what should happen after the duplicate record is found. For example, if any duplicate is found, whether we also set we need to create that duplicate record or not. We can also block that record without creating. Everything we can do by using the duplicate rules. Okay, so now if I want to use this matching rules for the duplicate rule, then I need must and should you need to activate it. Okay, and you need to reference this matching rule in the duplicate rule. Okay, now create for now we are creating duplicate rules. Okay, matching rules does not work on their own, remember this thing. Duplicate rules, create one new rule. Okay, on patient object only we are creating. Real rule name is patient phone number identify. Okay, action on create. Here we can set whatever the actions. If you want to allow, then you can allow. For example, okay, the phone number should be okay, that's fine, then you can create, then you can allow. Otherwise, if you want to block it, then you can block. Okay, and so now I want to block it. Okay, so yeah, block it. So you can create for edit also. Now I'm creating here, I'm using this matching rule. Already we created, right, previously. So yeah, so we are not allowing that record to be saved. Here we are blocking. So if you want to allow, you can allow by also you can give some alert or report for that record. Okay, for example, so and so this record is already existed, sorry, this phone number is already existed, like that you can also give. Okay, alert text also you can give. What is the alert? You can give this is already, yeah, you can put it, this phone number is already existed. This is the text I want to display there. Okay, now I'm selecting patient phone number. Okay, patient phone number, here you need to check also not equals we are using. Here contains it will check whether the given number is already existed or not. Okay, so here we need to go with contains, and you don't need to enter any value. If you want to use any operator as equal, then you can enter the value. Okay, so for now I am checking for contains. Yeah, let's activate this and check. Okay, so you need to must and should activate the matching and duplicate rules both if you want to get the clean data. Okay, create one new patient, new record, refresh here, then only it will work. Yeah. Click on new. So here I am creating one new. Okay, Rohit SFDC. Sorry, Rohit, it's fine. A positive. Okay, A should be 10. Sorry, 25. Now let's enter one name, 789654123. Okay, remember this, 789654123. Okay, save. it will be saved since the phone number it is not existed in the system. So let's create another one with that same number. Okay, so here I'm creating Rohit 2, blood group as B positive, age is 24. Okay, 789 654 1230. Okay, here I am creating with the same number. Sorry, I need to show it right. Yeah, Rohit 3. So you will get this message. Okay, similar record already existed. So this is how we can work matching and duplicate rules. Okay, you can also view the duplicates, how many are there. Okay, 39 and 40, then the phone number is existed for both for the same. Okay, this is how we can create the both matching and duplicate rules. Remember one thing, matching rules does not work on their own, and they will if you want to use the duplicate rules, then you need to create first matching rule, then you can reference that matching rule in the duplicate rule. Okay, yeah, I think this is okay. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I think these three concepts are very important in real-time projects, because they will help maintaining the clean and accurate data in the database. Okay, so thank you everyone. In next class we will continue with another Salesforce concepts. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you.